Introducing the ORBMat 180 SW Smart Welder with Industry 4.0 technology. The Smart Welder utilizes flow force, a unique purging feature that dramatically reduces weld cycle time. Flow force quickly delivers full purge gas volume, while traditional purge flow requires more time to flush the arc chamber. Shown in this graph is a typical welding program with a fixed arc on time. Only pre- and post-purge changes are made, giving a significant overall time reduction in the weld cycle time. In this example, the time savings is 30 seconds, or 27% reduction in cycle time. Productivity enhancements result in reduced time per weld, increased arc-on time, more welds per shift, and lower weld head temperatures. Using the permanent gas flow function, the Smart Welder will dramatically reduce purge gas consumption by establishing a low flow rate of positive purge gas pressure inside the arc chamber. The digitally controlled gas flow allows dramatic purge gas volume reduction while maintaining the high quality of the weld. Cost savings and quality improvements include a significant reduction in purge gas usage, weld color reduction, improved weld quality, and shorter weld cycle time. Never lost data provides better quality, reliability, and flexibility. Remote data is available through the IoT or Internet of Things Industry 4.0 technology. This provides connectivity, 100% data recording, and both wired and wireless network connectivity for unlimited storage capacity. Increased productivity monitoring capability is built in for sustainable quality management. This allows quality monitoring at the power supply or any location, dynamic data access, permanent data recording, and improved production efficiency. For increased safety, the Smart Welder features innovative rotor torque control to prevent machine damage and downtime. This protects the rotor and motor, extending weld head life and reduces operator risk. Intuitive and efficient system operation is performed through the rotary knob interface, touchscreen, and soft keys. This friendly user interface allows for simple auto or manual programming. As we've shown, the Smart Welder delivers time savings with flow force, cost savings using continuous purge, enhanced reliability from never lost data, productivity monitoring through network connectivity, improved operator safety via motor torque control, and an intuitive user interface. Ideal for use in the shop and in the field, the ORBMat 180 Smart Welder comes standard with built-in water cooling, rugged construction for field or fabrication use, integrated handles, IP23 rated housing with protected connections, 180 amp power output, secure operating system, an integrated printer, and 110 to 230 volt wide range input that eliminates the need for a dedicated circuit. Contact your Orbitalum representative for additional details.